Hello GRC 119. I just wanted to go over the final project requirements with you and make sure you understand everything that's expected of you before we move into finals week. I have up here the final project requirements. I highly suggest that you print these out and use these boxes as check marks to make sure you've done everything that is expected of you. As you can see here, you're going to have at least 5 pages, a home page which will be index.html, content page which can be named anything you want, about.html, references.html, it doesn't matter. And then the citations and sources page. You'll be using all 5 multimedia elements that we covered over the semester, and you'll be citing all your sources just like you would do in MLA format. Alright, so all that's there for you, so please check into that. Also, in the final project rubric, it tells you exactly what I'll be looking for in your final project, and this is what I'm going to use as a basis for grading. So you can print this out if you'd like also, or at least refer back to it, make sure you've done all of these things. Are you hitting all the specific concepts in class? Are you using video, animation, image editing, audio editing, and JavaScripts? Have you done, is the navigation there? Is the appearance nice? Are the color choices appropriate? Check all that. One thing that students usually miss is the copyright and Creative Commons. This should be on every single page on the bottom, okay? So I just wanted to show you these, and then also on week 13, hopefully you've already seen these, but I want to go over them again. You can look at other student submissions from previous years. We'll look at fall 2013, and I'll just bring up a random student here. Okay, so here's this one. Now, you can see here that some of these, let me go back. Use a different site. For example, this one you can tell was built from the ground up, and this is what I'm looking for. This shows a stronger understanding of HTML. So if you use a template, I'll be able to tell, obviously, and it'll show me that that's not a very strong use of HTML. And if you use anything that's not your own, you need to be putting that in the references. JavaScripts, photos, anything like that. It has to be, you have to credit the people that own the work, all right? Let's look at a different year here. Go a little closer here. Okay, so here's a good example. She did this on golfing. She has the navigation up top. It's got 5 working links. So when I click on it, it actually goes where it's supposed to go. And notice the navigation is always the same. And it moves a little bit, but overall it's good because no matter where I am on her site, I know where to go and how to get back to where I am. So make sure you have the nice navigation there. See down here, she's got the copyright. Same thing down here, destinations. She has the copyright and has contact information. Okay, you have to have that on every single page, which she does here. All right, she has a lot of static images in here. She has a video link. Now remember, I'll be looking for video editing also, not just a YouTube link. And then of course the citations page. This is very important also. All right, if you guys have any questions about any of these kinds of things, please let me know right away. You have next week, and then December 18th is when these are due by 5 p.m. Okay, so please get on this now. You should already be well on your way, and let me know if you have any questions, especially with the JavaScript or navigation or anything like that. And refer back to this and kind of look around and see what students have done in the past and some ideas you might take from them or borrow the ideas, especially like this static navigation, which I think is a really good idea, and how they did and see, make sure you don't have any broken links. So test everything also, which is why you'll have a creating and testing worksheet that you'll be doing. Okay? So check out all those examples. Let me know if you have questions. You guys have plenty of time to work on this, so I don't want you to panic. Remember, you can always contact me via Cranium Cafe, or you can stop by my office or give me a call. Any of those will work. But please don't wait to get busy on these because it will take you longer than you think. All right, well, happy creating. I'm looking forward to your finals, and have a good last couple weeks of school.